In this video, I'll give you a quick tour of the Mailchimp dashboard so you can navigate it with confidence. Once you've logged into Mailchimp, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see an overview of your recent campaign activity, audience growth, and account performance. On the left-hand menu, you'll find the main sections of Mailchimp. Campaigns is where you create and manage your email campaigns and templates. Audience lets you add, import, organize, and manage your contacts. Analytics is where you can track the performance of your email campaigns, including opens, clicks, and other key metrics. Depending on your plan, you'll also see sections for automations, forms, and other marketing tools that help you grow your audience and engage with subscribers. At the top of the dashboard, you'll find options to quickly create a new email campaign, search your account, and access your profile and account settings. Once you know where these main sections are, navigating Mailchimp becomes much easier, and you'll be able to create campaigns, manage your audience, and track results more efficiently. And that's how you can navigate the Mailchimp dashboard as a beginner.